Create tables. HTML tables are used for displaying content in a structured way. Information like this needs to be displayed in tables, or you would have seen comparison tables like this one. Creating tables in HTML are slightly more complicated compared to other elements, but don't worry, I'll make it as simple as possible. In this lecture, we'll create a table that looks like this. For tables, there are four main tags that you need to remember: table, tr, th, and td. Let's first start with this simple table containing 2 rows and 3 columns as an example and see how to construct this using HTML. Open brackets editor, create a new file and save it as tables.html. Add the HTML skeleton, title it as tables. Now to create a table, the entire content needs to be enclosed within table tag. So first open and close the table tag. Within this, type all the content from each column one below the other, row by row, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now these 3 items belong to one row. So enclose them in a tr tag where R stands for row. And the next 3 in another tr tag. Now within each row, enclose each cell content within td tags like this. Now click on Live Preview to open Chrome. You will see a table, but it has no borders. There is a border attribute to the table tag. Let's use it. Border equals 1. Now, I know this table doesn't look very pretty. We'll style it the way we want in the next lecture. For now, just focus on the structure and let's create the table correctly. So, a table is created cell by cell from left to right and top to bottom like this. Next, let's add another row, 7, 8, 9. Go back to your editor, type 7, 8 and 9, one below the other. Now since all 3 belong to another row, enclose them within another tr tag. Again, enclose each cell item within td tags. Save and check your output, you have another row. How about adding another column in each row? We just need to add another td in each row like this. And then type the content. Row 1, row 2 and row 3. Check Chrome, you have an extra column. Next, let's add headings to this table. Headings are the same as other rows, just that the content appears bold. So type the same above all other rows and enclose it within tr tags. And for each item, enclose within th tags instead of td because it's a heading where h stands for heading. This is the only difference for a heading row. Check Chrome, you have your heading. Now you've learned how to create simple tables. Next, we'll add one level of complexity. We'll see how to merge 2 or more cells of a row. Let's merge the first 3 cells of our first row and make it heading 1. For that, count the number of cells you're merging. In our case, it's 3. So replace the 3th with 1th. Add the content heading 1 and add an attribute called call span, the value of which should be 3 because that's the number of cells you're merging. As simple as that, it's done. Using HTML, this is how you construct tables. We'll learn how to style this table in the next lecture. Here's a quick summary. Entire table content is wrapped within table tag. Each row content is wrapped within tr tag. Each cell content is wrapped within td tag. A table is created cell by cell from left to right and top to bottom. th tag is used in place of td tag for headings. The attribute call span is used for td tag to merge cells of a row.